Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Composer on macOS. Okay, so you just need to open your browser and search Composer. Okay, and just go on the Composer website, and here you can just click on the download. And when you actually this website tracking that which OS you are using, so showing the result based on your OS. Okay, so you can see here the information to quickly install Composer in the current directory. Run the following script in your terminal, and to automate the installation, use the guide on installing Composer programmatically. Okay, so you just need to copy these 4 lines basically, and just paste on terminal. Okay, so you just need to copy and paste on the terminal. Actually I have already done that, so I'm not going to do that, but these 4 lines will do the download the installer to the current directory. Okay, and the second line will verify your hash. Okay, SHA, and third line will run the Composer, and fourth line will delete the file. Okay, so I hope this will work for you. Okay, so, and if you have any issue, then please comment on the video. And for checking that which Composer is installed, okay, so you just need to open terminal and just hit Composer -v, and you can see here the packages and the version is showing. Okay, so here Composer, and Composer version is 1.7.3. okay, so thank you guys.